And nipa nya na adwen say or jai za so ban say
nipa da say what you are killing yourself and we are spending money near baba betina and you think we should sit down with that concern someone ko why you for I don't say you kuminia look at graphic look at this headline and you are happy with this Boku conflict claims over 300 lives it's more it is a nipa bi po na influence mo
my ma wakwaba and founder Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame me adwoa searching ebusuafo Magjerry journalist I would need my on despite media na no demo radio si e asapo ina ne say bokonto kwa na esi wo ho no je say we are fed up ya bromo di no moyom hu bia no omunya no moyom ho nipa ba ko ntino wo twendade na de twetwa wo nua wo se wo nua na wo twetwa do wo twendade na se wo de ti wo nua ne nsa ni ti ato achi na wo kra chese wo sa dia wo ye na ye bone ese bugu boko na mo twetwa mo ho na Ghana so boka wo patent kwa de na sa boko to kwa na de ade na was a political party ne de achi there's a politics a bonsamade ankasa ai ni pedi achi politics there's a MPP shirt in NDC for so shirt na Magjerry trese inti se obi crash mo eche mo di mu hunyansa na na se bokofo asanso asori omo so mo ma warning say his excellency John Dramani Mahama ebra ye beto aba no mo ko kaka kire mo say NDC wo power peace wo boko and wo digina so to aba ma mo aba mo medi mo mbo hye so na warning na wo de ma wo mo no omo si nipa 80 something na omo kukom ho wo ko ensem we ba na Magjerry say sa bokofo no krado ne ho yo mo ani
ko say yenyina ye nuanum asemba ye trans ne yaka ne jem we don't hold on to it to say onte we no mo be fi ha dia ye ahonto ma ana ye nti ye wanse sebi yenyina ye Ghana fo ye be slow mo omanya free education from Kwame Nkrumah time a bomb papa enti ye slow mo se eho no Ghana yesika na ekoho no abedosu dodo yesika aban bia ba no abetam de akoho ni esi obi ni nia ntokwanti soja fo nko tra ho 6 months 1 year no mo ho ni efidi om no mu didi no mu koba ni emamu ye friends traveling allowance so then de account Ghana sikanka ye dey me develop on mining nyina no it is because tribe decided say omunti omo ho ase enti yen sofa wa ha na etwa tax ni ya na atam na ye de akọ na otu abi kra ye pese ye develop on mine no adan na one side she north da bia sika ye de ko north sika da bia ye de mass security for e de ko north all because of nsem and nipa nya na adwen say or jai za so ban say
nipa da say what you are killing yourself and we are spending money near baba betina and you think we should sit down with that concern someone ko why you for I don't say you kuminia look at graphic look at this headline and you are happy with this Boku conflict claims over 300 lives it's more it is a nipa bi po na influence mo what is that?
And that
we have to say it as it is.
Yeah, Magjerry, I agree with you.
I agree with you of national interest.
I agree with you.
Nipa ite meme wo ho ni mi ya ko ya wo ya ho se ka ya ku ya na original yeti ye kunku ya look at graphic make a graphic report
300 lives 300 lives
why
300 lives 300 lives
why must it so
na sankwala no omo yekom papa no mo nuanu wona na onko brane
papa yo na atiefo okofa graphic akona ko kan na hwe say aden yetena hwa se nipa bi po na tamachi a etumbatina wa na obi influence
na mukumu
historically we had too much abreast but why must it so
why na mde bia mo be hihye mu fie nyina Mbe fisi mu fie nyina bedro pe na mo asan ko toilet sa na mo ya besi 2-3 years na mo asan be hye nyina na ban ye tam ye tax sika nyina no de call and nipa say on transit dwene ho magja so bi ye wa wo de unju ho se obi na ye wo kra wo de un transit ensinsin say so bi na em kra anipa no be bia o push me ade ko no emwa me until let me rethink Naga community bia so be na omo ye ka Ghana e betimi atra. Yeah, more from here. Yeah, more from here. No, more from here. The issue.
Let's say me more time and then you talk.
Issue ni say, Magjerry, me say, ain't it say community bia and I say which bia so be ye ni omo ye na. Omo ye na ka Ghana sika be na ke be man nsuo. Na ka omo de be man electricity. Na ka omo de be ye kwan aman. Na ka omo de be ye interchanges aman. Other than savings are other regions are saving yen stam yen fanko baby yen fanko north boku ho to be precise say yen ko says no saso ban de yen jai me am saying say Magjerry say me de ubeho no tutwi say me de uya jeman ye kankra untie we let so percent ne hunu say at the end of the day oku obi a wo so ye beku obi bi enti at the end of the day o ko ya na obaye Okoya na baye na nkola ntimi nko school na nkola ntimi nko school awon person mo commerce ntimi commerce omo person mo kwasori omo ntimi nko asori society be na building this what kind of leaders grant ye person ye building e wo honum ni eshisha manfo dan ni ekuma manfo video be ya bako me hu eto na etu sei na manfo dwani na eto ni dance tata say hey say rich be say
innocent souls
straight bullet
yeah one my affected
yeah
ye wi an aka so ya resolve ye wi so
bola so
and your bola so jampo o dey fan say o dey ya resolve
yeah
say ye wi ya asem no akra na ya hwere no over 300 people ye betima sand o ma ba
dabi
300 meji say do na no ye innocent ones hwe woman no wo mu gu bass mi ko so na ya show ya puru nipa na ekunipa innocent people ni eku
na dentia said that sasa sense
sango me da say
hinienti
bisa mo question yan go
Papa J
yeah
we are something yo mi was something say asante as dangerous pen entitana that's the history
what say go ahead
just dangerous pen now send the asante de ne ho Asanteman wura ohwe na Asanteman so a wodi hene Kumasi over Asanteman. Denchirafo so e wo dunkwa onofen ya omo so mo hwe omo de e wo. So dunkwa hene esi man hene e ma Asanteman ya mo beje tuma.
And that is what you are telling me. We said you cannot. I don't know.
That's what I am telling you.
That is what you are telling me.
You are admitting your ignorance.
I'm admitting what ignorance. The people are dying by saying I'm admitting ignorance.
Yeah.
Or what are you saying?
You are admitting your
people
ignorance.
Are dying.
You say I don't know.
Me say people are dying.
You should be able to solve your problems.
I am not abreast with the history.
Can I speak?
Does it mean we should kill people?
Can I speak?
What are you saying?
Can I speak?
So you are not concerned about things. Go and pick
Papa J, listen to me.
Don't ask me that question.
Just now cannot tip the American because you are shouting at me. You can shout at me.